Good evening to all. Myself Priyanka. I'm a student of M.SC Nursing second year and my specialty is pediatric nursing. So from today onwards, I'm going to start M.SC Nursing second year pediatric nursing syllabus according to INC, Indian Nursing Council. I'm discussing with you first topic of second unit of pediatric nursing, that is choanal atresia. Before moving towards the main topic, choanal and atresia, the first thing you need to remember here, the meaning of two words. First is choana and second one is atresia. So the meaning of choana is the posterior nares. Choana is the back of the nasal cavity and atresia means absence of complete lumen formation. So next is the historical background. In 1755, Roger first described congenital choanal atresia. Incidence: this is a rare congenital anomaly, 1 in 5,000 to 8,000 live birth, and female to male ratio of choanal atresia is 2:1. Introduction: as I told you prior, choana is the posterior nasal aperture or back of the nasal passages. So normally children will have a normal looking opening present bilaterally. The nose will be normal. But sometimes what happen, the airflow through the nasal passages may be interrupted, and this interruption, because of there will be an obstruction present in the nasal passages at the level of the choana. So that is called as the choanal atresia. So normally what is the function of the choana? Choana are the posterior opening that connect the nasal cavity with the nasopharynx. But in case of choanal atresia, what happened? There is a developmental failure of the nasal cavity to communicate with the nasopharynx. So that is the introduction of the choanal atresia. Clear? So up to this point, you understand the meaning of the two words choana and the atresia. Choana, as I told you, the posterior nares or back of the nasal passages, and atresia means the absence of complete lumen formation. एंड नॉर्मली कोएना क्या होता है, पोस्टीरियर ओपनिंग होती है जो नेज़ल कैविटी को नेज़ोफैरिंक्स से कनेक्ट करती है. बट जब किसी को कोएनल एट्रीजिया हो जाता है, ये टू टाइप का होता है, यूनिलेटरल भी होता है, बाईलेटरल भी होता है. तो उस केस में क्या होता है, जब कोएनल एट्रीजिया हो जाए, इट इज़ द डेवलपमेंटल फेलियर ऑफ द नेज़ल कैविटी टू कम्युनिकेट विद द नेज़ोफैरिंक्स. क्लियर? So that's all about the introduction portion of the choanal atresia. Next is the definition that we will discuss in the next video lecture.